Hey everyone, Happy Box Breaker. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and hook us up and hit that subscribe button right there in the bottom left-hand corner. When you do, it'll get you subscribed to our channel. I'll let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blast or Digital Wax Break or just an Oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the 2024 Panini National Treasures Hobby Box. Oh, this is pretty epic. So, we did one of these already. Did pretty good on it. Did pretty good. We got a Hulk Hogan and a beefcake dual auto. That was pretty sick. But let's see if we can pull some epic fire out of this bad boy. Before I do that, you know what you gotta do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm gonna get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One is going to be for our monthly subscribers. That's only 99 cents a month. That drawing is gonna be a tin filled of number cards, polo cards, relics, autographs, and a 1-of-1 card. And 2 will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker is stuffed full of number cards, polo cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, pretty cards, sketch plates, 1-of-1s, and a whole bunch of autographs. Because with every break that we do, we don't do 1, we do 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today, I'm going to be throwing in a Shinseki Nakamura autograph along with a numbered 249 Damian Priest matte relic autograph. Wowzers from that 3-count break. So check those out. Pretty epic. So these 2 autos are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at them and all the other good stuff that's in here? Just leave me a comment below. And as always, our monthly subscribers, you don't got to do anything. You guys are automatically entered into every single video that we do. So we greatly appreciate your patronage. Again, that's only 99 cents a month. Greatly helps out the channel and we greatly appreciate it. All right. Let's see if we can pull some fire out of this National Treasures Hobby Box. Oh, so cool, so cool. All right. Ooh, this thing is like super sealed. You got one on the back end, got one on the front end here. So we'll get this off here. Ooh, all right, here we go. Ooh, oh yeah, here we go, baby. You guys ready? Good stuff, good stuff. Well, I forgot, this is sealed too. Holy cow. They seal it everywhere. All right. All right. Now we're cooking with bacon grease. At least I'm trying to. Maybe some old bacon grease. Come on. There we go. All right. Whew, this is always the fun part. All right, so card number 1, I can get it out. Tell you what, I'm going to come out here. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Now we're ready. Now we're ready. We're ready, we're ready. All right, here we go. Card number 1, we've got a numbered to 99 Paul Bearer. Beautiful card. Legends. Paul Bearer. Card number 1. Alrighty. Card number 2. Numbered 75. We've got a Scarlet. Ooh, pretty looking Scarlet. Number to 75. All right. Number to 99. We've got a Colossal Braun Breaker. Number to 99, Colossal National Treasures patch, or like uniform worn, authentic memorabilia. Pretty cool. All right, and numbered to 99, we've got a Cora Jade. Very nice. Cora Jade. NXT. All right. And number to 5, we've got ourselves a Razor Ramon number to 5. Very cool. Retro materials. WWE Legends. That is sick. It's got the WWE right in there. That is pretty sick. I'm digging this one. I am digging this one. This one is pretty epic. This one's nice. Number to 5. Very nice. Let's get you in your sleeve there. Whew. Beautiful. Beautiful card. All right. Number to 10, we've got ourselves a Ludwig Kaiser. Very nice colossal treasure card there. Number to 10, 1 of 10. Beautiful. All right. And number to 99, we've got ourselves a Dragon Lee autograph. Ooh. Definition ink. Very nice auto. I love it. I love it. He did the little little heart slash like little tail thingy. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I dig that. Dragon Lee auto. Number to 99. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Very nice. And 25 of 25. We've got ourselves a Carrie Sane. Nice. Material worn from her outfit. Very cool. 25 of 25. Nice little bookend there. It's our second auto. Then we've got numbered to 68. The $1 Million Man. Wow, Ted DeBise. That is very cool. Very cool landscape one. I dig it. I dig it. I like this one. This one is sick. It's got one of those weird, sometimes they have like the national treasures that have the weird numbers, but that's numbered to 68, or our third autograph. Very cool. All right. And our last auto, 2 of 5, Diamond Dallas Page. Holy cow, the best for last. There it is, folks. Wowzers, number to 5. That is epic right there. Greatest signatures. Woo! Holy smokes. That is sick. That right there. Oh, yeah. Holy cow. Diamond Dallas Page, number to 5. 2 number to 5 cards. Oh, man, this is beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, but those are our big ones right there. Freaking 4 autographs and a 2 number to 5s. You can't go wrong. I mean, I crushed this one. This one is epic. I mean, epic. That is sick. That is sick right there. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Diamond Dallas Page, number to 5. Oh yeah. Very cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. More Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.